need for the body. Ah, you guys see that? Anyways, hopefully you guys dig. See how that flies once I get the speed going right. Oh, that was a quarter full. Plenty of power, especially if you're running on track. Oh, runs nice. Totally happy. Worth it. Should we do one jump on the new jump? Hopefully we didn't break nothing there. You see how high that went? We'll do one more.